And we're hearing for the first time from a mother who sued the local pediatric dentist, now under investigation by the state. We were the first to break the story after multiple parents came forward claiming Dr. Howard Schneider mistreated patients. Action News' Samantha Manning spoke exclusively with the mother who sued him back in the 90s. Samantha, she says that the dentist settled out of court with her.
John, that mom says she brought her son here to Dr. Schneider's office more than 20 years ago for a cleaning, but instead, she says he left bruised and swollen and ended up in the emergency room. Amy Brown brought her son Kyle to see Dr. Schneider in 1994, when Kyle was only 5 years old.
I felt so guilty, and I still do. I still feel guilty about it.
She says Kyle was brought in for a cleaning, but instead, Dr. Schneider ended up shaving down multiple teeth, and court records show he put in 16 silver crowns, all without Amy's permission.
His mouth was cut open like this, and I mean, he was bruised, his lips were all swollen and bleeding, and he was choking on his own, like blood.
Amy filed a lawsuit against Dr. Schneider. It claims Dr. Schneider gained, quote, unwarranted financial gain because of the unnecessary dental treatment. The case was ultimately settled for $7,500, though Brown only saw around $2,200 of it after costs and legal fees. Brown says she never knew Dr. Schneider was still practicing dentistry until seeing the latest string of protests by other parents who say their kids were also hurt at the hands of Dr. Schneider.
It just flooded back memories for me that I never wanted to ever revisit.
She says she's hoping the state investigation leads to Dr. Schneider closing his doors for good.
I wish he would have been shut down then.
And Amy says her son's teeth have never been the same. Coming up tonight at 6, how her son's teeth have been affected as an adult because of Dr. Schneider's treatment more than 20 years ago. Reporting live on the South Side, Samantha Manning, CBS 47, Action News Jax.
Another local mom who saw our coverage of this dentist says she didn't believe her child's claims until she showed her a picture of what she says happened. Melissa Brazil tells Action News, her 9-year-old tried to communicate with her by drawing because she's partially deaf. Brazil says she couldn't believe she allowed something bad to happen to her child.
I ran in the room and held her, and I told him sorry for not believing her.
The mom says her child will have to have more work done to her teeth because of the mistakes that the dentist made, and she'll have to pay for that out of pocket for those repairs. Action continuing coverage of this case online. There you can review all of the documents and see the protests for yourself.
A Southside business